The number of cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 today crossed the 1,50,000 mark after 6,387 new infections were reported across the country in the last 24 hours, Union Health Ministry data showed. This is the sixth day in a row that India has reported more than 6,000 cases of COVID-19. The COVID-19 cases in Manipur have gone up to 41. 2 more positive cases were confirmed late on Tuesday. The new positive cases were confirmed by Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory (BRDL) of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) Imphal. The patients belong to Thoubal district. With this, the COVID-19 active cases in the state have jumped to 37 while 4 have been cured and discharged. Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, 1,94,916 people suffer as flood wreaks havoc in Assam 7 districts. According to Assam State Disaster Management Authority, 229 villages of Bisnapur, Dhemaji, Lakhimpur, Darang, Nalbari, Golpara, Dibrugarh and Tinsukia have been deluged of heavy rains. The flood has affected around 1,007 hectares of agricultural land and more than 11,000 domesticated animals. So far, 28 relief camps in Golpara, 4 in Dhemaji, 2 in Lakhimpur and 1 relief camp in Tinsukia have been set up by the authority. Out of the 15 hottest cities in the world in the last 24 hours, 10 were in India with the others in the neighboring Pakistan, according to weather monitoring website El Dorado. Rajasthan's Churu, about 20 km north of state capital of Jaipur, recorded the country's highest temperature of 50 degrees Celsius yesterday. A major landslide occurred along the IMPHAL-JIRIBA Road, National Highway 37 near Nungba area today. Several vehicles remained stuck on the highway for hours due to the landslide. A joint team of Noni Police and NHIDCL construction company rushed to the spot and cleared the debris, following which traffic movement resumed on the highway, a report said. The Manipur government has arranged special trains to bring back stranded natives from different parts of the country. Altogether, 13 trains so far have ferried back returnees to the state. However, there are reports that returnees are facing shortages of buses while coming to their respective districts from Jiribam railway station. A US biotechnology company began injecting a coronavirus vaccine candidate into people in Australia on Tuesday, with hopes of releasing a proven vaccine this year. Novavax will inject 131 volunteers in the first phase of the trial, testing the safety of the vaccine and looking for signs of its effectiveness, the company's research chief, Dr. Gregory Glenn, said.